Hello, Dunkel students. This is Mr. Nemo. Welcome to Nemo Academy, a little spinoff of Khan Academy. I like to help you guys out. I make some videos online. It's not every day, but I try to do it as often as I can. And so when you're at home and you're stuck and you have no idea what to do, or you're just kind of needing some help, every now and then we'll put some videos online, and hopefully they will help you out with your homework. So with today's work, we had Ace, I think it was 1.1. We were assigned number 1, so we're just going to do number 1 for you just to get the ball rolling. And that one starts out with find the approximate height of the scaffold if the person is 6 feet tall. So we're going to start right here. Now, to begin, we are given that the person is 6 feet tall. So we can write on our problem here, we know that he's 6 feet, and that is the actual measurement, I think is what we called it in our notes. And then we have to take our scale, and we want to measure from the bottom of his feet, and our scale is a ruler, and we're dealing with feet and inches, so we're just going to use the inches. I wouldn't use metric, although a lot of us wanted to use millimeters today. For the sake of this, I mean, you can convert back and forth, but I would just keep it easy on myself and use the inches. And when you measure this distance from here to here, you should get about ½ an inch. So the measurement is ½ inch. And then we have the unknown that we're solving for. And to help some of us out, I made a little mistake here. We will make that Dunkel green. That is the unknown. So to solve that now, we take our ½ inch and we got to multiply it by something to get 6. So ultimately what you're going to have to do is take the 6 and divide it by ½ an inch. So 6, and you hear these little markers flopping down in the tray, so don't let that bother you. Divided by the 1/2, and our answer is going to be the unknown, which is 12. So when you punch that into your calculator, remember you read from the top down. Every fraction problem is a division problem, and it's 6 divided by 1/2, which will give you your 12. So that is our new multiplier. So now when we need to solve for the height of the person, or I'm sorry, the height of the scaffold, let's start over here. We have our actual measurement, which is the unknown. We do not know the actual measurement. Then we have the measurement. So we're back to grabbing our ruler, and we're now going to measure the height of the scaffold. So we got a ruler out, and ruler red, so we'll kind of make that connection. So when you measure the height of the scaffold, Mr. Nemo got right around 2.75 inches. So our measured distance was 2.75. Now we do have the multiplier. That's what we figured out up here. So we're going to take that 12 and we're going to multiply it by the 2.75. And that is going to give us our new measurement for the scaffold. So when you plug that in the calculator, you should get something in the neighborhood of, and it's approximate, not perfect, and we'll talk about that in class tomorrow, 33 feet. So go back to your notes, try and figure out what we did in class, compare it to what I did here in the video, and try and figure out the rest of the problems. Again, show your work, complete your homework so you get full credit, and if it's not making sense, we're going to go over it again in class tomorrow, and feel free to rewind the video back as many different times as you want and see what I did here. And together we will get through it. Don't fret, don't be worried. You're going to learn this stuff and it's going to make sense. So have a good night, do your homework, study hard, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you.